This is Sold At with gunnook.com, and today we are going to be talking about the UTG Picatinny quad rail by Leapers. We will be doing an install and a review of this product. The first thing you want to do before you do anything is you want to check and make sure your chamber is clear. I've already done that. Second, you're going to need to remove the standard handguard that comes with your AR rifle. There's two ways to do this. One, you can get a handguard removal tool, which slides on here, and you pinch it, and it allows you to pull back. And what happens is, this splits, and you just take it off. Or you can have a friend hold the delta ring back and get the same result. This rail comes in two pieces. 4 Picatinny rails total. The top rail, the bottom rail, and it comes with 6 screws and an Allen. You only need 4 screws to install this product, so they give you an extra 2. Now, the installation of this product is very fast and simple. There's no gunsmithing required, which is a plus. Basically what they have here is what they're calling spinal cords. Okay, and they're on both rails, the top and the bottom. And what they do is they fit right in here in this delta ring and lock on real tight for a secure fit. And I'll show you exactly how easy these are to install. First thing you want to do is get it lined up in here, and it just slides right in. And then you push back. That's it. Same thing with the bottom. Want to line it up. Slides right in there. And it's in. This is made from aircraft anodized aluminum for a strong material. It weighs 11.3 ounces. Again, it's 2 pieces, 4 Picatinny rails. The length of this particular quad rail is 6.7 inches, 2.4 in width, and 2.4 in height. It fits standard, a car length, AR, and various. And what we're going to do here, so I'm going to go ahead and put these screws in. When you're putting these screws in, just want to kind of drop them in and then snug them all, and then after you get them all to make contact, go ahead and tighten them. However, you don't want to tighten them too tight, because this is, after all, it is aluminum, and you risk stripping the screws. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, now that our quad rail is in place here, no movement at all, solid, tight fit. I want to talk to you guys about name brands. Okay, we all know the name brand Yankee Hill, Troy, just to name a few. Yeah, these are great products. I'm not saying they're not. But what we're talking about here today is we're talking about the best value for our dollar, and not having to suffer in quality to get something like that. And so what we're going to do today, as you see, I have a depth mic. I don't have a slate, so I'm going to put it on this block, which should be relatively as you can see. Let it focus here. Come on. There we go. It's zeroed out. And this is the top rail from my Bushmaster. What we're going to do here, let me zoom this in. Let's see if it's pretty good here. Just move that rifle a little bit so you guys can get a better view there. Alright, let's see. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. Alright. Now, Okay, now what we have here is a measurement of 505 thousandths. And that's on the top rail of my Bushmaster. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this off. We're going to slide this on our quad rail. What we're going to see here is the depth from our top quad rail that comes on top of the rifle to the UTG quad rail. Just to prove to you guys that you don't have to spend $200 on a quad rail. Alright, I understand everybody loves their name brand products. Alright, there's certain things that I get that it has to be a certain name brand, but let's be honest, in today's economy we're looking for the best bang for our buck. I'm simply wanting to demonstrate that this is a quality USA made product. Alright, let me come over here and position the camera here so you can see the measurement. Okay. Again, these have been zeroed out. Okay, there we go. Okay, what we have is 501 thousandths. Actually, two thousandths. And what we'll do here, it's kind of difficult with the setup I got here. Just man, this is slippery. Okay. Okay, it's clicking with my finger so you can see that it is on the quad rail. So a difference of 3 thousandths. That is not going to matter in your shot. That's 3 thousandths of an inch, and in my opinion, more than doable. Now, the nice thing about this quad rail is $56. That's right, $56. Now, I know you have the elitists, take it out on the range, they laugh, you know. But you know what? This is solid. There's no movement. There's only a difference of 3 thousandths from the top rail to the quad rail. Again, that's not going to matter in your shot. It's perfectly fine. And for a fraction of the cost. The downside to this product. It does come with guards. Okay, UTG guards. What sucks about these guards? Let me tell you, they don't snap on. Okay, and not only do they not snap on, but they are extremely difficult to put on. After you've put them on a few times, they tend to get a little bit easier. But for the most part, when you slide these bad boys on, as you can see, my fingers are turning white from just sliding this thing on here. Pain. Definitely a pain. They need to move to the snaps, most definitely. However, to take them off, it's a lot different. They just snap right off. Don't snap on, snap off. So, if this rail had a downside, it's by far their rail covers. Like I said, this is an American-made product, made by Leapers. Sturdy, secure, snug fit on the Delta ring. I would definitely recommend this product, especially if you're not looking to spend a whole lot of money on a quad rail. As far as I can tell now, I mean, I haven't fired a lot of rounds through it, but this is definitely the best rail you're going to get for your dollar. There is no rail out on the market with the same quality and that measures up as good and secure without any gunsmithing on the market today. Again, this is sold at with gunnook.com. If you like my review, please leave comments and visit us on gunnook.com. Thank you for your time.